Hi guys and gals, this is Arvin coming to you with a video. In order to assist you in quickly deciding if this video is for you or not, you'll notice some text and numbers in the upper left of the video. The text is pretty descriptive. Essentially, it rates the topic type covered in a video, the level the video is aimed at, and the number of the course in that topic at that level. For example, Programming Beginner 001 means Programming Beginner Level Course 001 in this series. Software Advanced 010 means Software Advanced Level Course 10 in this series. The aim is to make things easier for you if you come across the video in a search or you want to go through things in order. Hopefully this little system will help you guys out. If you don't want to use it, just ignore it. Okay, enough dry academic stuff. Let's get on to the fun stuff. Thank you for watching my video. On with the show. The title of this video is, What is the best language to learn computer programming? Now this is a loaded statement if there ever was one. Different computer languages fall into two major categories. These are languages that produce machine code, that is, code the CPU itself can process, and languages that produce code for another program to interpret, usually termed bytecode. Languages that produce machine code are called compiled languages, while those that produce bytecode are usually called interpreted languages. While the definition of these seemed clear-cut, the same language can be made to be both a compiled and an interpreted language. However, trade-offs have to be made in the implementation of the language, and in general, most mainstream languages fall into either of the two main camps, either compiled or interpreted. Explaining this topic in detail would require an entire video or possibly 2 or 3, so I'll leave it here for now. If viewers of this channel want me to do said videos, let me know in the comments and I will do it because this concept is fundamental to the way the software industry has developed over the last decade and continues to develop. Programmers are usually quite defensive of their chosen programming language. So if you ask 10 different professional programmers who mainly program in a single different language each, chances are each will tell you their language is the best one and the one to learn programming with. I firmly believe when learning to program, one should learn a language with which one can grow, and a language with which one can easily publish finished works, securely and for profit if they wish. That's just my opinion. Interpreted languages tend to be slightly easier to learn and provide richer user interface tools, but carry the baggage of needing large runtimes. Runtimes are the things that allow interpreted languages to run and usually comprise of the entire programming environment used to create the program itself. Think of this as needing to buy a particular screwdriver to go along with the particular type of screw you buy at the hardware. Due to their runtime requirements, interpreted languages are also trivially easy to reverse engineer. In programming, reverse engineering is the process of taking a finished product and being able to view the source code or something close to it. Compiled languages are much more secure from a reverse engineering standpoint. They also tend to use much fewer runtimes and are therefore much easier to distribute. The language I recommend was originally designed from the ground up for ease of use, yet in the incarnation it is currently in, it is actually one of the most feature-packed compiled languages available, with almost no barrier to entry. Anyone can use this thing. The language is called FreeBasic, and it's been around for quite some time and is extremely powerful. It is actually quite a simple and friendly programming language and environment. If you want to try it out, you will want to get the compiler and the IDE. For those who don't know, an IDE stands for an Integrated Development Environment. Think of it as a word processor for your code. The FreeBasic IDE is a separate project from the FreeBasic compiler, and it is a little out of date. However, it still works perfectly once you do a very simple tweak to get the help system working. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to download, set up, and tweak your environment, so by the end of it, you will be coding like a pro. The video after that will go into showing off some of the cool stuff you can do with the IDE and FreeBasic, and should come a couple days after this video and the next video I uploaded.